Alright, so this is a little experiment video after the last video I did, which was not fun at all. We're going to be experimenting with certain filters, or digital effects as they're called sometimes. On this camera, I can do a number of them. So right now you're seeing the black and white digital effect filter that I use on both of my camcorders, including this one. So get used to it. That's the way it's going to be forever. So if you don't like that, whatever. You know, I already explained this in the last video, so go watch that. So let's do this. You happy? This is color. I don't like this at all. I choose not to film in color because I don't like it. This doesn't make me happy. Let's move on. This is sepia. Very red, actually. Very red and weird. Okay. Yeah. Moving on. Behold, negative. This is fucking weird. I mean, seriously, look at this. Wow. Yeah, this is probably the weirdest digital effect on this camcorder. Let's move on, shall we? So this one is called Art, on the camcorder at least, and it looks more pastel-y, I guess. It's basically color with a bit of added pastel. I don't know. It's weird. Not sure if I like it. This one's called Emboss. This is weird. This is really weird. Yeah. Okay, what the flipping hell did I do this time? Now the camera is acting retarded. Actually, no, this is called Mosaic. Which, okay, it definitely looks mosaic. I guess it just looks like pixels going ape shit. Okay, moving on. What the flipping Christ? This is mirror. Yeah. I don't like this one. This is weird. Okay, this is the pastel one. Pastel. Similar to Emboss, but not really. I mean, it's weird. Also, LED flashlight. There's like 9 LEDs in this thing, and they're relatively cheap. Back to color again, but this time it's called Cosmetic, which I can't really tell a difference between this and color, which... Oh well. This one is called Step Printing, which is basically force lag. I don't like this at all because it looks like it's taking a while for the video to buffer, which is dumb. So I'm just going to say this. Moving on. And that's all the effects. That's all the effects I have on this camera. I have even less on the other camera, so there you go. Well, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. I mean, at least try to, please. So, that is all the filters I have on this camcorder. And keep in mind, this camcorder was from 2009. So it's not a potato. And neither is this one. This one's from 2013. But it records up to 20 minutes for every video, and that's it. To where this one could record up to over an hour, which is impressive for a 2009 camcorder. So, I hope you all enjoyed that. And, please be respectful of my choosing to use this filter over all the others, especially color. And yeah, if you enjoyed this experimental video, please click like, subscribe, do all that algorithmic shit, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I'm TheZOMBIEJ. I'll see you folks there. Have a good fucking day, and peace.